Welcome to Paramount Electronics. We are experts in the repair of industrial and commercial electronics. Today we're going to show you how we are able to exercise an AC servo that is manufactured by NIKKI DENSO. The function of this ACTUS Power AC servo is to control a three-phase motor used in a printing press, but could be found in other industrial applications. We have developed a sophisticated test jig that tests each of the AC servo functions and proves it is fully operational before the repaired unit is returned to our customer. Here we have the drive. We're going to switch it on, put some power on. And just start it up. There we go. Thanks for watching. I'll just switch it off.